Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about frog species, and there's some really cool shots in this video. They are from my collection of wildlife photography, and we're going to start with the wood frog. One of the most recognizable features of a wood frog is their dark mask or eye stripe. Their color can vary from tan, brown, gray, and pink, making them one of the most beautiful frogs I've ever seen. The wood frog has evolved traits that prevent their cells from being damaged when they freeze and thaw. During winter, they can freeze like a popsicle and then come back to life in spring when the warmer temperatures arrive. They can be found as far north as Alaska and Canada. They live in woodlands and forests and are often found far from water except during the breeding season. The American bullfrog is the largest frog species in North America and is well known for its loud, deep croaking and voracious appetite. They're typically olive green but can range from green to brown. The external eardrum is very large and visible behind the eyes. It's also how you can distinguish them from a green frog. They live in permanent fresh bodies of water, eat insects, small mammals, birds, snakes, other frogs, and pretty much anything that fits in their big wide mouth. They are now invasive in many parts of the western U.S. and having a negative impact on native amphibians and ecosystems. The green frog is a common frog native to eastern North America. It's often confused with the larger bullfrog, but it has distinct features and behaviors. Their color ranges from bright green to olive, brown, or even bronze. Their dorsolateral folds, or raised ridges of skin, run from behind the eyes, down the sides of the back, and stop halfway down. That's how you can tell them apart from a bullfrog. They live in permanent or semi permanent freshwater habitats. They are carnivorous, eating insects, spiders, worms, and small crustaceans. They help control insect populations and are a very important part of freshwater ecosystems. The American toad isn't really a frog, but it's similar. The American toad is one of the most widespread and familiar toads found throughout eastern and central North America. Despite their common appearance, they're incredibly interesting creatures. Their color varies widely depending on habitat, and individuals can be brown, gray, reddish, or tan. Their skin is dry and very bumpy, covered in warts, which secrete mild toxins as a defense mechanism. They have short legs compared to frogs, adapted for walking or hopping rather than jumping. They're more of a city dweller and they can be found in yards, flower beds, and under logs or rocks, except during breeding season, where they can be found calling for a mate near fresh water.